Hello, in this video I want to give you a tutorial on how to do 2D tracking in After Effects. First, open your After Effects and import the video into the project. Double-click on your video. A new layer will open. Now, mark the beginning and end of the video by clicking the Mark In and Mark Out buttons. If it is already, drag the video to the New Composition button. Then a new composition will open. This is my video footage. Now, go to the tracker window and hit the track motion button, and a new layer will open. Now, we can see here there is a track point, direction of the track point to the object that you want to move. If the track point is too big, you can reduce the size. If it is already, return to the tracker window and push the Analyze Forward button, and wait until After Effects completing the tracking. If it is already, then there will be many tracking points here. Now, right-click on the timeline and click New Null Object. In the tracker window, select Edit Target, and select the null object. Then click OK. Then click Apply, and select X and Y. After that, click OK. Now, drag the text that you want to track. If you want to use this text, I give the download link in the description. Here we see the text has not followed the movement of the car. To make it move, drag the parent button in the text and point to the null object. And the text moves along with the car. And this is the final result. And you can export the video by hitting the Ctrl+M. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in the next video.